So I'm jumping on the Apple VisionPro bandwagon, but I have got a product in front of me that will help you realise that having one of those headsets in the future might be a really good idea. Now let's face it, next year very few of us are going to be shelling out $3,500 for one of the new Gen 1 Vision Pros from Apple. While it's a phenomenal bit of tech and absolutely blew my mind, I have no doubt, well, little doubt, that it's going to be something that a lot of us are going to be using further on down the line in the future, maybe in 5, 6, 7 years. It's definitely going to be something that we need to plan for. That's what I think anyway. The Vision Pro has the ability to record 3D video, and this is where this product comes in. Get ready, start recording your video already in 3D. You can do it with this product from Zander. This is a QooCam Ego 3D camera. So basically what it is, it's a stereo camera. It records 2 video feeds left and right. It's got dual 1/2-inch sensors on the front, and it can record 3D video. Then in the future, whether it's the Vision SE, when it comes down to a reasonable price and lots of people are buying these headsets from Apple, you'll be able to watch your videos you've recorded already and saved over the next couple of 3 years, whatever it's going to be, and you'll be able to watch them in 3D on your headset. It will already work with the likes of the Meta Quest and other VR headsets, but the promise of the high quality from Apple will make your pictures and videos come to life. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just show you the product quickly, but I'm also going to put some footage into this video. I'll put a little sign up saying put your headset on. So if you've got a Meta Quest or other VR headset, you'll be able to see the footage and see what it's like. So I will put a little bit of a section in there if you want to skip to that point along the time chapters, you can. Until then, I will just talk about what this thing is and what you get in the box. Now it's priced at £499, so it's not a cheap device. It's really great quality. It's built very ruggedly and extremely well. It's IP67 waterproof, so if you want to record anything underwater, you'll be able to do that with this. I can't imagine what 3D footage looks like filmed underwater, but maybe that's something we'll have to try out in the future. Like I mentioned, it's got dual 1/2-inch sensors on the front, so the picture quality from my initial testing is actually very good. It's comparable to something like the GoPro. It's also got stabilization built in, and you can take 24 megapixel 3D photos as well. So having something like this allows you to build up your library, stack up the memories for the future, and future-proof yourself when it comes to everybody wearing those goggles, and you'll be able to look at all your footage you've recorded over previous years. You'll already be in that 3D space and have a lot of stuff out there to watch and check out on your Apple headset. Until the point we've all got headsets and we can look at our 3D videos and photos, it comes with this included 3D viewer, which magnetically clips on to the screen on the front there. Clips on like that, and then you can actually look through these and look at your 3D video and check out to see what it'd be like. It's very hard to show what it looks like because I can't sort of get 2 cameras on here to sort of combine the image and show you what it looks like. It just looks very impressive, and I can only imagine what it's like using an Apple Vision Pro. In the box, you get the camera itself, you get the 3D viewer, you get a battery charger, a dual battery charger. You get 2 of these batteries, which are 1340 milliamps, so you get 2 of those in there. You get a selfie stick, which is really good quality actually. It extends out as carbon fiber actually as well, so that's really impressive. You get a carry bag, and you also get this clever little mirror that clips onto the front of this little notch here, and that acts as a selfie front-facing screen. So when you're recording and you've got your selfie, you can actually see that you're in frame in the front on that little bit of a mirror in between the 2 lenses. That's a clever touch. 1/4-inch mount on the bottom, so you can actually put the tripod on there. This tripod has a ball mount on there, but you can use other tripods if you want, and you can take the viewfinder off, put it in your bag, and just go out recording 3D video and take 3D photos to be able to share with your family and to future-proof yourself for this headset AR revolution that is no doubt going to happen over the next few years. So at this point, let me insert some video that I've recorded with this camera, and if you want to watch it, you can put your VR headset on now, and if you don't want to watch it, if you haven't got the access to a VR headset, then it's just going to come up as a dual video or maybe a single video. I'm not sure how the editing works in post-production, but if you've got a VR headset, put it on now. So let me just give you a little tour of the studio. This is my sort of overhead cam. We come around and I've got all my different lenses up there, my different hats I wear for different videos, some notes and stuff. My desk set up over here, and I can go around there. The new update, incidentally, on this camera is that it's added autofocus to the camera. Before you had to set the focus manually, but this is what it looks like. You'll be able to see me in 3D if you're watching this on a VR headset. If not, then you have to wait until you got one, or wait till that Vision Pro comes out with Apple, or the Vision SE when we can all afford one and it's a reasonable price, because £3,500 is extortionate. So this is what it looks like. This is me in 3D. Hi, you can reach out and touch me, hopefully. Okay, it's a really fun product and I've been really impressed with it as well. So yeah, check it out, and back to the video. So there we go. That is, in my opinion, the future. The Apple Vision Pro was so impressive and probably the most talked about bit of tech so far this year, without a doubt. So many videos already on YouTube. If you want to go and check it out and find some more information, if you haven't, for any reason you haven't heard about it, just type in Apple Vision Pro into YouTube and you'll be able to find some of the videos. But this camera is a way of future-proofing your video and photo library. It's a real fun product. It works very, very well. And like I said, in the future, when we're all wearing those goggles, you'll already have a big library of 3D footage to check out. Okay, that's it for this one. That is the Kando QooCam Ego. Really impressive product. If you do want to grab one, there will be a link in the description down below. Make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.